Hi everyone, Sean Campbell from Adjusted Chiropractic here in South Morang. Today we'll be talking about our third tip for health and longevity that can help us reach 120 years old. Today is how regular chiropractic adjustments can help. Alright, so we all know, and there's been tons and tons of research done that shows that we can help musculoskeletal pain with chiropractic adjustments. Very effective in back pain, neck pain, headaches. Lots of research, lots of reviews show that we got a lot of decrease in frequency, intensity, and duration in headaches. More effective for low back pain than medical care. One study that they've just released the other day was that paracetamol Panadol has no effect on low back pain. We know that chiropractic adjustments is very effective. All this research has been done to death though, so we all know that, it's just accepted knowledge. But what a lot of people don't realise is what we can do for people who don't have these standard low back pain, neck pain, headaches. An interesting study from Sweden recently showed that of everyone who went to see a chiropractor for a musculoskeletal complaint, 1 in 4 actually had a resolution or an improvement in a non-musculoskeletal complaint. So of these 1 in 4 people, the sort of things that they got improvements in was respiratory conditions, circulatory conditions, digestive conditions, and tinnitus. So a possible mechanism behind how regular chiropractic adjustments can help reduce these sorts of non-musculoskeletal conditions is one study recently showed that after chiropractic adjustments we had an increase in anti-inflammatory markers in the blood and a decrease in pro-inflammatory cytokines. So basically reduced the amount of inflammation in the body, which then has a profound effect on health and life and reducing pain and improving these non-musculoskeletal conditions. Another really interesting study was looking at how after 5 weeks of chiropractic treatment we had an increase in antioxidant markers in our blood. Antioxidants have a huge effect on our health and longevity, and by increasing our body's regulation, upregulating its antioxidant system, we're able to have a huge reduction in symptoms from non-musculoskeletal conditions and improve our health and longevity. So I hope you got some good information from that. Thanks for listening. See ya.